Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to present our paper entitled Corporate Governance Mechanism on Intellectual Capital Disclosure and Firm Value. This paper was prepared by Kentris, me, Taswan, Batara, and Avi from Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Ki Kubang, Semarang. Intellectual capital is a strategic resource owned by the company, which includes the company knowledge and skill, capabilities, values, and methods, which can help company achieve competitive advantage and sustainable performance. The concept of intellectual capital has evolved from a variety of different disciplines and is increasingly becoming an interdisciplinary. Intellectual capital also cannot be seen easily by the market because it is not explicitly seen in the financial statement published by the company. Therefore, intellectual capital needs to be disclosed. Intellectual capital disclosure has a very important role for companies. Intellectual capital disclosure can reduce information asymmetry, increase transparency, accountability, reduce the cost of capital, and increase share prices, which in turn will increase firm value and can increase the trust and loyalty of employees and other stakeholders. Unfortunately, the importance of intellectual capital for companies is not in line with the level of disclosure. Information about intellectual capital is still lacking. Research on the disclosure of intellectual capital in Indonesia also shows that the companies in Indonesia do not comply with regulation regarding the filing of annual reports in which intellectual capital is disclosed. As a result, there has been an increase in information asymmetry from companies and users of financial statements. This in turn can lead to inappropriate decisions made by stakeholders. Most of previous research on intellectual capital disclosure focus on developed countries and only a few were conducted in developing countries. Most of the research on the factor that influence of intellectual capital disclosure is company characteristics, including company size, profitability, leverage, type of industry, and company age. Currently, corporate governance is a target when looking for determinant of intellectual capital disclosure. Corporate governance establishes a framework for efficiency and honesty, as well as corporate transparency and accountability. Consequently, managerial opportunistic behavior depends on the quality of this governance mechanism. Companies with better corporate governance will disclose more information. This aims to minimize agency problem and information asymmetry. The quality of corporate governance can be evaluated based on the principle of disclosure and transparency, relationship with shareholders and stakeholders, characteristic of the board of commissioners, policies and compliance, as well as ownership and supervision structures. This study examines the effect of corporate governance mechanism both from board structure and ownership structure, on intellectual capital disclosure. In several previous studies, only partially examined the effect of corporate governance mechanism. In addition, this study also extends previous research by examining the impact of disclosure on firm value. Several previous researchers only examined the effect of intellectual capital disclosure on market capitalization of firm value. The population in this study are all manufacturing companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2016 until 2018. The selection of samples using the purposive sampling method produced a total of 129 observations. Based on the theoretical background, the study used path analysis with the two following models. The first model, intellectual capital disclosure, is a function of independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, and managerial ownership. On to the second model, price to book value is a function of independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, managerial ownership, and intellectual capital disclosure. Summary regression testing result for first and second model presented in table 1. Based on the adjusted R-square value in the first model, it can be concluded that 41.10% of the variation in the intellectual capital disclosure can be explained by the independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, managerial ownership, size, and profitability, while the remaining 58.9% is explained by other variables not included in the model. From the F-value, the result also show that the first model is fit. In the second model, the adjusted R-square show that 62.2% of the variation in firm value can be explained by the independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, managerial ownership, intellectual capital disclosure, size, and profitability. The remaining 37.80% is explained by other variables not included in the model. From the F-con, it can be seen that the regression model is feasible to use. This study examined the effect of corporate governance mechanism both from board structure and ownership structure on intellectual capital disclosure. In several previous studies, only partially examined the effect of corporate governance mechanism. In addition, this study also extends previous research by examining the impact of disclosure on firm value. Several previous researchers only examined the effect of intellectual capital disclosure on market capitalization of firm value. On to the second model, price to book value is a function of independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, managerial ownership, and intellectual capital disclosure. According to hypothesis 4, managerial ownership has a positive effect on intellectual capital disclosure. The higher the share owned by management, the more management will act in accordance with the interests of the owner by implementing good governance, including through transparency of information. Hypotheses 5 and 6 will state that the independent commissioner and audit committee have a positive effect on firm value is accepted. This result indicates that the independent commissioner and audit committee perform their supervisory function well on management, so that company perform increases. This condition will be responded positively by the market through an increase in share prices. The findings of this study are in line with the research result of Anman et al. Hypothesis 7 and 8, which state that institutional and managerial ownership affect firm value, are rejected. The results of this study are not in line with the finding of Mishra and Kapil, who found a positive effect of share ownership on firm value. The result of the path analysis show that the audit committee can have a direct effect on firm value and can indirectly influence its true disclosure of intellectual capital as a mediating variable on firm value. This study examines the effect of corporate governance mechanism proxied by independent commissioner, audit committee, institutional ownership, and managerial ownership on intellectual capital disclosure and its impact on firm value. The result of first model show that the audit committee and managerial ownership have an effect on intellectual capital disclosure, while independent commissioner and institutional ownership have no effect. The result of second model show that the audit committee and intellectual capital disclosure have a positive effect on firm value, while independent commissioner, institutional ownership, and managerial ownership have no effect. As expected, two control variables, namely size and profitability, have a positive effect on firm value. This study has several limitations that require improvement in future research. This study is only able to prove 4 of the 9 proposed hypotheses. The result of the path analysis also show that the intellectual capital disclosure only mediates the effect of audit committee on firm value. Future studies need to consider other measures of corporate governance mechanism, such as the activities and characteristics of the Board of Commissioner and Audit Committee in order to obtain better results. That's all. Thank you.